Take a ride in the 2017 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, traction control, roof rack, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Come take a test drive today.